This is my GitHub account. Through this GitHub account, we are going to access our source code. This is our code. This code is in Python language because Python takes a few lines than other expected languages. Now we are going to download our code. The code has been downloaded. Now we are going to run our Python code. This is the interface of our source code. In this, we can see four modules: get weather forecast, locate, complete weather map, and web dashboard. These are some of the features we have added in our application. Now, I am taking London as a city. I am clicking on get weather forecast. This will show the temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfalls in plots. And it will show the temperature, humidity, and wind speed of the particular city for future 5 days. Now, the same matter in plots, it will show in numeric manner and it will also show the rainfall. If there is no rainfall, it will show no rainfall in the bottom and it will show the current time of that particular city according to Greenwich Meridian. Now I'm clicking on locate button. This is our HTML map. We have generated map with the help of HTML code. And if we want to see the complete weather map, it is the complete weather map of the world. The cities which are in red color is said to be in the danger zone because the temperature of the city is so high, but the cities which are in yellow color are in good zone because the temperature of the city is good. Now I am clicking on web dashboard. So in web dashboard, I am clicking Vijayawada. This is the basic information about Vijayawada. The temperature of the Vijayawada is 30 degrees and the wind speed is 6.1 kilometers and the current status of the Vijayawada is partly cloudy. These are some of the suggestion cards within our web dashboard. Yeah, our app is user-friendly app and anyone can effortlessly access this information. The illiterate people can also easily access our app. Thank you.